Today we are going to discussing scalar and vector quantity. So just start scalar quantity. Scalar quantity are those quantities. To represent those quantities we do not need any directions. We just need only magnitude. Means suppose we have a volume, for example volume, pressure, temperature. In these quantities we do not need to show directions, only on need magnitude. What is the meaning of magnitude? Mostly students are confused in what is the magnitude. Magnitude means the what is the size, we can say that size, or shape, we can say that the meaning of actual magnitude. And the vector quantities, in the vector quantities we need to show two things: magnitude as well as a directions. For example, force, displacement, velocity. In these quantities we need to show force means directions as well as magnitude. Suppose I have a pen like this, and if we are applying force in this particular directions, so this pen is shift from here to here, and right now there's a displacement going to happen from here to here. So this is also a vector quantity. Displacement also work in these directions, and force are also work in the same directions. So this is the force, this is the displacement. In both things we need to show directions. So I hope you understand what is the scalar and vector quantity. Now we are going to discuss product of scalar quantity or dot product. We have the two equations: 2 I cap plus 6 j cap minus 9 cap, 5 I cap minus 6 j cap plus 8 k cap. This is a circle I, j and k. If we are moving from I to j, so we will get 0. If we are moving j to k, means again we are getting 0. Always remember, in the dot product, if we are just multiplying with the same quantity, means I dot I, so we will get 1, j cross j we will get 1, and k cross k we get 1. If we are just multiplying opposite or not the same quantities, we can say that, means I dot j, so we get I dot k 0, j dot I 0, k dot k 0, k dot I 0. So we will get 0 if we are just multiplying unsame quantity. Okay, so just start this question to solve. First write these questions, and means this equation and this section. We need to find the dot product of both equation or both questions. So just solve these questions uh, by the what we learn from our childhood, the product of the two equations. When we are just multiplying from two, this equation to this one, with this one to this one, this one to this one, same as are multiplying. So always remember, when we are just multiplying I to I, we will get 1, and we are just multiplying this quantity to this quantity, means 2I to minus 6k, sorry 6j, we will get 0. And the same we are just going to multiply 2I to 8k, again we are getting 0. I just written here 0 where we got 0 or where we got 1. So same things, 6 to this one, 6j to this one, 6j to this one. If you are just total multiplying, so we will get like this. Here we get 1, here we get 1, here we get 1. Means only I dot I 1, j dot j 1, and k dot k we get 1. In all the other quantities we will get 0. So just solve this. 10, 2 cross 5, 10, I dot I 1, as it is 6 dot 6 36, j dot j 1, 8 cross 9 72.1. If we are just solving this, so we will get minus 98. So right now we are just going to start cross product of vector A and vector B. If we just apply vector A cross B, so first we need to write in this form I, J, K and the both equations 3, 6, 8 and the second equation here 5, this is minus 7 and this is 4. So start. First we write this two line again here, which make more easy the cross product. So first we write for the I. For the I we are just going from in this line. This is I line. So 6 into 4, this is 24 I, and in this line 8 come, 5 come and J come. So 8 and 5 multiply by J means 40 J. In this line if we are going, so minus 21 with K, minus 21 with K. This is first, and the second one is applying minus, and we just moving from in this line. This is K, 6, 5, 6K means 30K, minus 7, 8 I means 7 cross 8 means 56 I, and in this line if we go 12J plus 12J. Just simplify this equation here, 24I and the 56K. So this minus change this sign plus, so 6 0 7 8 8I 18I, 14J minus 12K. This plus sign will change by this minus, so what we will get 10 2 8 given 1 means 28 of plus with J. Now remains this quantity, so this both are minus, so 1 and 5 51K. This is a very simple solutions of cross product. If we are give two vectors and just multiply two vectors in this form, we will easily get our answer. So this is our answer.